Hi guys, I got a couple new Zippos, sorry, that I wanted to show you. The first one is a high polish chrome Lucky Strike. Was made in 2006. And the second one is a 1935 replica with the Zippo lady engraving. The third one is a pin-up Sinalco. I like this one and that's the reason why I bought it. But that's not all. We come now to the specials. The first special is the limited edition collectible of the year, One World, One Future. I actually got two of them. The second one I got them cheap from an Austrian site. And this is what the box looks like. The next, the Indy 500. This one is a collectible. It was made in 1994. There is even some kind of protector in it. The next one is a Harley Davidson limited edition. I don't really know what's the name of this one, but it was made in 1998. I couldn't find any pictures on internet, so I liked it and I just bought it. And the last one is a Lady Barbara Zippo 65th anniversary 1997 limited edition table lighter. I couldn't find any of this on eBay or any other site. I went to the local tobacco store and I just wanted to get a package of cigarettes, and I saw this one in the window and I said, it's mine. I got this for about 120 euros. That's about $150 or something like that. Here's the lighter. Cannot see that well. So that's all. Bye and subscribe. New videos coming soon.